we pack them. This is how they pack them. This is like a half of the rice, and they're gonna cook it now. I'm gonna cook it now, and usually they pack with these plastic bags, but they are prohibited. I don't know why they are using them. Yeah. So we have to wash it. Okay. And then after washing it, I have to leave it like few 5 minutes, like, and then it will be like this soft. When you start cooking, it will come out nicely. That's how we do it here. So thank you. Let's follow the process as while cooking here. Just trying from the village here, and this is how it is here. Continue supporting me, support your girl from here to Italy. Thank you so much. After the water has boiled here, I have to put oil, all the salt. After putting oil, I add salt. As usual here in the village, this time I cook it. I add salt. After that, I have to add the rice. After adding the rice, we stir. After stirring, we cover it now and then wait for some minutes so that it's gonna be ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue supporting your girl. Actually, we are at the fridge, and we usually use firewood as our main source of energy. So here I have pojo. Pojo is I don't know how we call it in English. Or it is a green beans. It's green beans. I don't know. Until now we have put on the fire, and the water, so we have to boil it fast. We have to boil it fast. Shall wait for like minutes. I don't know how long they will take, but we should follow the process. So here we are. Thank you all for being here. For my daily subscribers, I welcome you. It's another time. I'm going to prepare rice and the pojo. Pojo is in Kiswahili, but I don't know how we call it in English. So you leave a comment how we call it. Yeah. So after putting it, we cover it. I have to cover it for some time so that it will continue boiling while I cook other food. So this is the village. Actually, it is triggering. Here in the village, it's like every day it's rain. So there's no way out we can stop it because we are not God. That's why I have just like, otherwise I don't know what I'm going to finish cooking outside. Then maybe I'll take it inside. So thank you so much. If you are supporting your girl, we are heading to 2,000 subscribers. If you are not subscribed, actually go support your girl. Go support by subscribing so that when I upload another video, amazing video from here at the village. Thank you so much. once you put them, this is how they get on boiling. As you continue doing other stuff, the pojo inaendelea kuchemka, and then we'll go on. I don't know how long it takes because I've never cooked for some time now, and have been taking any video while cooking these vegetables. Yeah, I've not taken any video. So as usual here, we put the feeds here for the chicken so that they continue feeding. Also, this is another packet, but we have used a jelly can of 5 liter. So this one here. So like there, but it is you know, I can't fit inside, so maybe they sleep up here. Yeah, and these are the chickens here. Wow. You leave a comment. This is a small project. That's why you see that the house is too small. It's a small project. Yes. So as usual here, I have tomatoes. Tomatoes, these are the tomatoes. Also I have green onions. Okay, this I will buy them. But no stronger, but they are not that big. So first of all, I have to remove the skin. I have to remove the skin. As you continue removing the skin, so because I need them all, that's why I remove the skin, and you remove the dry part, and that's how it is. After that, I cut them. Ta-da! Wash it. I have to wash them. So this is the match I'm going to use, and then after that I have to cut them to clear the service. Yeah. So I cut the onions first, and as you cut the onion first, you have to split maybe in a small size. Actually, the size you want, I don't know how much you do it, so we cut. So I put them aside. I like to put them aside. This is the much I want. You have to put them aside. And then I'll cut the tomatoes. Sorry, there is our dog. You have to cut the tomatoes. After cutting the tomatoes, then we shall wait for the other stuff so that I'll start maybe frying them. Yeah. Good. This is where we keep firewood. So let's see whether it's ready. It's ready. And then we are going to just start. Yeah. It's ready. When it is ready, you have to see that in a carrot or rojo. Yeah. So we put oil. No, it's raining outside. Otherwise, I could have used the outside Chico. Yeah, it's raining outside. So this is how it is. And usually the inside Chico, if you don't come closer, it's going to be, I don't know. You won't see what I'm cooking. That is it. With the inside Chico. After this ready, we are going to put the oil is ready. We put the onion. So the that will char. After charring, this one need not to be brown because it's not like the red onion. So straight away we add the tomatoes. And then we send after stirring, I add the salt. That salt and like pasta. After stirring, you have to leave it for some like a few minutes, and then I'll put the pojo in. So now it's the tomatoes are ready. They're like burning. So that you are ready here, I put the pojo. And then you stir. So then we cover it. After stirring, we cover it for 5 minutes and it will be ready. Now the food is ready. We have to uncover the rice. The rice, this is the rice here. Yeah, and this is the pojo. Pojo. Here. So you have to serve the rice first and see how lovely it came out. Yeah. And when it's serving, I don't know. Yeah. You may wonder why I've used the leaf here because of, I don't know, chimbiro. I don't know how we call them in English. Yeah. After serving, we add the pojo like that. So let me test. I don't know. Are you going to test? Okay, come.
Take a spoon.